Well, good morning. My name is Tom. I come to you from the Rustic log cabin in northern Maine. Welcome to my cabin today. As you can see, I'm back out in the woodshed. Usually this means serious business, but today I'm out here just because I enjoy having coffee. If you don't have a coffee yet, go ahead and grab yourself a cup of coffee. Richard, I see you have coffee with me quite a bit. And Danny, if you're watching this at 6 a.m. in the morning, we are having coffee this morning. So, oh, and let's see. Rick, you like to have coffee with me a lot too. So, and everyone else that grabs a coffee with me, I really appreciate it. It makes these videos here at the cabin a whole lot of fun. But like I said, today we're out in the woodshed. I got something really nice that I want to share with all of you. I received a package in the mail. It was actually a couple of weeks ago, but I haven't looked. I looked in it enough because I knew what was in here. Because the person that sent this to me had didn't tell me I think maybe if I look back in the emails and comments, maybe she told me everything that was in here. Now she's planning on, I guess, selling this popcorn, and I from what I understand, she sold a ton of it already during the Christmas time. And I see why, because as you watch in a lot of my videos, I like to eat. So I have a good idea what good food is. Well, that popcorn, and I'm not a popcorn eater at all. Once, twice a year I might have some popcorn, but that's about it. But this popcorn had some kind of a candy coating on it, and it's a secret, I guess, to how she did it. But it would come with 4 bags. I ate every piece of that popcorn, and it was good. Her name is Katie. So Katie, this is for you today. Thank you very much for that popcorn. And like I said, I was waiting to open this package so that I could share it with you. So I'm sharing it with you today, Katie. I have not looked at the painting. This has been sitting on my table it's been a couple of weeks now. But as you know, I'll fill everybody else in later on in this week what's been going on. But anyways, getting back to this package, there's a painting in here, and I am just dying to see it. What the painting is, and there was a really nice card that her and her family had sent. I loved every word that was in that card. It means a lot to me. But inside, it must be time. You know, at Christmas time, you're supposed to drag your feet a little bit. So everybody take a sip of coffee and we'll all be on the same page. It's going to be a cloudy, damp day here in the state of Maine. Tuesday, we're supposed to get a massive snowstorm here at the cabin. So, I guess somewhere around 2 feet. So, I'm really looking forward to that. Supposed to start somewhere Tuesday evening into Wednesday. So this week we're supposed to get a big snowstorm. I'm hoping for at least a couple of feet. It would be nice for the trails to get a little bit of snow on them. But now this painting is, some of you this was about, I think, well, I know it was last winter. It was one of my deer that had the deer, and the sun was setting behind the deer. So it made for a really nice video, and Katie liked that video, and she asked if she could paint it. And I said, of course you can paint it. That was a proud moment for me. So she has sent me the original, which she said she doesn't do at all. So this is extra special. And I can tell you, Katie, where it's going to hang. I'm going to build a frame out of it. I have been thinking, you told me it came with no frame. So I have been thinking about what style of frame. And I'm thinking some kind of wood frame. Like driftwood or alder wood, something that I can that will really match my cabin. And I want to hang this painting in my cabin. So I will be sharing this with you on many occasions, because as you see in my cabin on the back wall is where I hang special. Everything on that wall is very special. And each thing has a story behind it. So your painting will become part of East Grand Woodsman channel from this point forward. Oh my goodness. Wow, that is gorgeous. There's even signed Katie. It's very nice. I think you can see it. Very, very, very nice. I get emotional because, number one, I like things that are personal. And number two, I really like my deer. And this thing with the sun behind it, that was one of my favorite videos that winter of a deer. So, absolutely gorgeous. Katie, thank you very much for the painting. I absolutely love it. Everything in that painting is what I like about the cabin lifestyle. I like the deer, I like the snow, the sun behind the deer, the nature, absolutely everything. And then just the personal touch of a painting and someone doing that much work and then shipping it to me to enjoy at the cabin is very special, and I truly appreciate it. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one.